No game can honestly promise that every player will receive money every single week. Weekly payouts depend on meeting the game's requirements, your activity, and completing a successful redemption request. By the end, you'll know 5 games that many players continue using in 2026 because they regularly provide opportunities to earn rewards or compete for cash where available. The first game is Bubble Cash. Bubble Cash is a skill-based bubble shooter that offers competitive matches in eligible regions. If you already enjoy puzzle games, it's easy to understand the gameplay, and improving your accuracy can help you compete more consistently. The second game is Solitaire Cash. Solitaire Cash turns the classic card game into skill-based competitions. Because the rules are familiar to many players, you can spend more time improving strategy instead of learning completely new mechanics. The third game is Blackout Bingo. Blackout Bingo combines bingo with quick reactions and score-based gameplay. Fast decision-making matters, because every round is timed, making practice an important part of improving your performance. Now let's finish with 2 more options. The fourth app is Mistplay. Mistplay rewards Android users for playing supported mobile games. Instead of focusing on one title forever, the platform regularly offers different games, giving users fresh earning opportunities over time. The fifth app is Rewarded Play. Rewarded Play rewards players for reaching milestones inside supported games. Before installing a game, review its objectives so you know exactly what activities qualify for rewards. The biggest mistake players make is expecting automatic payouts simply for opening an app. Every platform has eligibility requirements, supported regions, account verification rules, and redemption procedures that must be completed before rewards are processed. Another smart habit is checking your reward history after completing milestones. If something doesn't track correctly, contact customer support while your recent gameplay is still visible in your account history. Using more than one platform can also help, because each app features different games and reward opportunities. That variety keeps you from depending entirely on a single game when offers change. The key takeaway is that Bubble Cash, Solitaire Cash, Blackout Bingo, Mistplay, and Rewarded Play continue attracting players because they consistently provide opportunities to earn through skill-based competition or gameplay rewards. Whether you actually receive rewards every week depends on meeting each platform's published requirements. Your next step is to choose one game that matches your interests, learn its rules thoroughly, and complete a few redemption cycles before deciding whether to invest more time. If this guide helped you discover games worth trying in 2026, like the video and subscribe for more game reviews, payout guides, and weekly updates.